Hi guys, I'm Vikas. I'm a PTE trainer here at Bangalore, India. Today I'm going to cover some basics of grammar. I'm going to cover some really basic grammar concepts like nouns and pronouns and verbs. For those of you who are non-native English speakers, stick around. You're in for a treat. For those of you who are relatively good with English, stick around. This could be a good recap for you. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Alright guys, let's get started. So today we're going to understand some basics of grammar. I presume that most of you know these basics, but I'm just going to quickly reiterate so when I use them in videos coming forward, you should be able to understand them. For those of you who are not aware, please go ahead and make notes. If you think the font is small, do not worry, I have pasted the same information in the description field. Alright, let's start off with the basics of grammar. The very first is noun. A noun names a person, animal, place, or thing. For example, Tom, Madrid, books, etc. Pronoun. A pronoun is a word that replaces a noun. The reason why we use pronouns is because you can't really use nouns over and over again across sentences. Right? So examples of pronouns are I, you, him, us, they, etc. You could see that I have provided an example that is highlighting the grammar concept that I'm covering. Alright? So please pay close attention. Verb. A verb is a word used to describe an action, state, or occurrence, such as walk, happen, seem, etc. So you could again look at the example. Today I am revising my English. Revising is the verb here. An adjective. An adjective describes, identifies, qualifies, or gives more information about a noun or pronoun. The young man, the new car, the busy road. The word busy, new, young are adjectives because they give more information about the noun or pronoun. Okay? Interjection. Interjection is basically an exclamation used to express an emotional reaction. Like examples can be oh, hey, ouch, watch out, lol, just kidding, whoa, etc. Next concept is the adverb. An adverb will modify a verb and tell us how often, where, or in what manner we do something. Now, for example, she usually walks quickly to get to work on time. Usually and quickly are the adverbs here. Alright? Some other examples are quickly, carefully, well, often, usually, easily, energetically, etc. Preposition. Now what is a preposition? A preposition is a word that links a noun, pronoun, or noun phrase to some other part of a sentence. For example, words like in or on. The boy walked across the road, past the church, and up the hill to get to his school. Words like across, past, up, and to are the prepositions here. What are conjunctions? Conjunctions are words used to connect other words, phrases, or clauses. Words like and, but, or are some commonly used conjunctions. The example that you can consider here is the children like sailing and swimming, but they don't like tidying their rooms or going to bed. And, but, or are the conjunctions here. Another concept that you could consider is collocations. Collocations are basically words that go together, two or more words that are commonly used. Like, for example, beautiful flowers or a lion's roar, right? Guys, these are some of the basics of grammar. I hope this video was useful. If you'd like me to cover more, or if you have any questions or comments, please feel free to comment in the below section. This is Vikas from PTE Lectures. You guys have a great day. Thank you for watching.